the first 58, and then the bass will be the second 58.
Okay.
All right, folks, let me just give you a little input of what you're about to see here. We've got a bunch of little fiddlers. I do a fiddle camp on Tuesday nights in the summer, and it sort of rotates between house to house. And so a lot of these children that are up here, and adults really, that are doing some fiddling, they host fiddle camp at their house, and sometimes it'll be, 120 people there. And there's a lot of fiddling, and guitar playing, and dancing, and let me tell you, it's a wonderful time. But every summer we learn a new set of tunes. And so our advanced fiddlers here have learned probably 24 tunes so far this summer, including the intermediate tunes. We'll typically have about 40 or more fiddlers on a Tuesday night, and some of them were able to come and be with us today here at the Elk Knob Festival to exhibit some of the fiddling that goes on. We also have some of our upper intermediate fiddlers as well. And we're going to start with a medley of tunes that we call our Scots Irish medley. After this medley, we're going to do a dance medley where we feature some of the dancing that goes on at fiddle camp. So this is just a tiny portion of the overall fiddle camp, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's give a big round of applause to our Appalachian Fiddle Orchestra.
When will we see our like again? That falls and night far, for we've been held and stood against him. Proud Edward's army and sent him homeward to make again. The trees are bare now, and autumn leaves lie thick and still. O'er land that is lost now, which those so dearly held and stood against him. Proud Edward's army and sent them homeward to think again. are past now, and in the past they must remain. But we can still rise now and be the nation again that stood against him. Proud Edward's army and sent them onward to think again, and sent him homeward to think again.
All right, that was our Scots Irish medley. Hey girls, pull the microphones back this way a little bit so that you can see better. We are got a real treat for you now at this point. We have got together a dance medley, and this medley contains 4 different types of dancing. It includes the Ottawa Valley step dancing that you just saw. But then also we're going to throw in some after the step dancing is Irish dancing, right? I think it's Appalachian clogging. I've got the list. Hey. And we also have Irish dancing. The Walker girls are going to do some Irish dancing for you. And we're going to finish up. You've seen all these little ones running around in their Scottish Highland garb. That is going to be our very last dance. And they're going to be back later to do a whole set of Scottish Highland dancing. But we're going to start off here. And Jennifer, can I get you to start my camera right there? We're going to start off here with some little bit of singing and fiddling. And then we're going to go right into, I'm going to call out the dances. So they don't even know when they're going to dance. I'm going to call it out and tell them when. We're going to start with the Ottawa Valley Step Dancers. Then we're going to go into a tune called